In the heart of Rwanda's agricultural innovation, Western Seed Company Ltd continues to empower the next generation of seed specialists. In collaboration with the One Acre Fund and the University of Rwanda's RICA Seed Center, a group of young agronomists and trainees visited Western seeds production fields to gain hands-on experience in seed technology and agribusiness. This field session focused on two key stages in the seed production process: land preparation and planting. These are practical skills that form the foundation for production high quality and certified seeds. Through this training, Western Seed reaffirms its commitment to supporting Rwanda's seed sector development and nurturing the professionals who will shape its future.
You can choose which one to put, male and female. That's one. Pati ya gatatu ubwo ni pati yaho seeds zidropingira n'uburyo ziba covered. Zimanukiramo hano zikaba dropped mu butaka. Hari abarimo karaka disk uri kubona hari akaba kakatinze nyine ubutaka ku buryo itijyamo, hanyuma izi ngizi zinyuma zikaza ziri gukavaringa ubutaka hejuru ya seeds. Ubwo iyi imbere igenda karipa karakata kagashyiramo ifumbire, akaza hari iriya yongera igakata akajyamo seed indi gakavaringa. Yes. Okay, byaba 3-1 cyangwa 6.
So that's a disc harrow. Yeah, hydraulic. You can lift. Hydraulic means it's got a cylinder like this. See that pipe? You see now what he's doing, what he's demonstrating is hydraulics. The pipe runs all the way to the tractor. So by use of a lever inside the cabin, you can raise and lower. It's 22 discs. If you count these discs, you'll find the 11. You come in with this and you harrow. By design, harrows are made like that, so that they can cut effectively. See, when that one cuts, this one sort of evens it out. It's for just evening the clods of soil once you've finished plowing, so that you can come with a planter. You see now, if he goes like that, the whole weight of the implement goes down. So that's the maximum it will go. And if you want to do a light harrow, you balance with the wheel. Just like that.
I think when it was on the yard, we discussed about the planter. So this is the one which is doing the planting as of now. So a bit differently, where it is planting, it's where we have done the other plowing, not like the use of the strip tilling. In this place, we have done the normal plowing, and we use that harrow we have sown the down part. Then later on, we come for plowing. This, of course, is using the pressure to release the seeds, but also it is connected to this computer, which is attached on the tractor, so that you can be seeing what you are doing. It will show you the line you are following, It will be showing you the acreage you are covering so far. If any line has an issue, you will get a warning in the computer in the tractor. Then you stop and check on it and know what is the problem, you fix it, then you resume the work. This one now, it is having the auto steering. If it is following this straight line, you will just remove in the automation, you turn, but when you finish turning, you just make to the automation, then it will just drive itself. What you'll be playing with is to work on the acceleration, of course, and to see what is in front of you. Because if you see like an obstacle, then you need to remove directly to the automation. You go manual, then either you stop or you turn if you see an obstacle in the field.
Thank you. My name is Inyas Tushimire. I'm a 1 Acre Fund staff, seed product and agronomy specialist, 1 Acre Fund staff, RICA Seed Center. And I'm also a trainees for seed technology and business course, which is 1 year course. The seed production is a kind of a new in our country. We have been importing a lot of seed from abroad. And we have conducted a kind of survey. We have visited a lot of seed companies, and we realized that there is a gap in skills, specifically on the seed production. How do we produce seeds? How do we prepare the land? How do we manage like crop from planting to harvesting? Especially all those activities that are targeting the quality of the seed that we are harvesting, there was a big gap. So we, within that survey, MDs, companies have been asked a lot of questions, and they have highlighted the gap in skills as a key challenge. And we have highlighted that some of the companies have as agronomists, but those agronomists are doesn't have that kind of a deep skills specific on seed production. So that is how the ideas come, and our target was just to call for the agronomists from different seed companies and being trained. We also wanted to introduce the new young generation agronomists, those who are graduate from the university. Yes, they are doing agriculture, they are doing crop production, but not such specific on seeds production, processing, quality management, but also having business as an idea in that course that they're doing. And that is how the idea started.
I'm Joyce Ishimwe Icyansikimana. I'm STB trainee from RICA Seed Center, and I'm from University of Rwanda. I'm a young agronomist, and we have come here to learn about seed production from Western Seed Company. I was amazed by finding like a big facility like here, doing seed production. So I have learned about the machines that are used in land preparation, like reversal mold barrow, and is used to break down the land that have never been used before for cultivation. And there is also the disc barrow that is used for tillage and ploughing. And I've also learned from the planters that use the computers to give you the information about where you are planting, the seeds, the fertilization that you are using. So this training is really needed, first of all, to train the youth to equip with farming activities and be good agronomists. That will later be a good investment for our country to be able to have skilled, well-educated seed multipliers, agronomists, that in the next 20 years, 30 years, the problem of seeds and food production will be really secured and solved. Thank you.
My name is Alkanj Iman Shimwe, and I'm also a trainee through Seed Technology and Business course at RICA Seed Center. And this workshop was really needed, and it is a life-changing opportunity as a trainee, because at the start we were exposed to how land preparation is done in terms of seed production. As a farmer, it is always important to have your land well prepared. And we've seen that when using these implements, you are able to level the land. When your land is well leveled, you are fighting soil erosion. Using this moldboard, breaking down the hard pan, loosening the soil, you are making sure that your land is well aerated, but also more importantly that there will be water infiltration. This also adds on to the nutrient availability. When you are dropping the residues, breaking them down, you are easing the decomposition. The organic materials will be available to the plant. So now you'll be having maize which will grow well because of the residues which were broken down. When you are loosening the soil, some of the weeds and the weed seeds in the soil are being broken down. So you are eliminating the weeds, and this will help you in terms of crop management because you won't have much time to control the weeds that will be emerging. But when you loosen the soil, breaking them down, it will be easier to grow your maize seeds. So this is equipping me with the knowledge, expanding my knowledge, but also of course to see the practical side of the technologies that you are seeing in the class. So this will help me in my future career because I'll be working in seed companies with the knowledge of how to use technology in seed production. But more importantly, today we got to connect with the people who are in seed industry, starting from the CEO Sumana and other technicians at Western Seed. So this was a life-changing opportunity, as I said, because we breathe from this connection and we get to learn more and develop as a trainee in seed production.
My name is Sumana Abdullah Jiro. I'm the country representative of Western Seed Rwanda. I've been here with Rwanda, with Western Seed since 2020. When I've been contacted by 1 Acre Fund staff, 1 Acre Fund is one of our partners. Since we came in Rwanda in 2017, we have been working together. They distribute our seed through the core program. They do some processing for us as well. And when they have started these new classes in partnership with RICA University, we decided to go with them because it's help the seed sector of Rwanda to develop it. And the other thing is also, as you could see, there are really young people, which one is very important for a nation to have a young generation be interested in agriculture. That's why we say they are welcome in our farm to show them what we are doing here in the farm and the new technology, agricultural techniques in the country. So we were really happy for their interest to our company.
This collaboration between Western Seed Company Ltd, 1 Acre Fund and RICA Seed Center marks an important milestone in strengthening Rwanda's seed production capacity. By opening its fields to training and young agronomists, Western Seeds continues to bridge the gap between theory and practice, inspiring a new generation to lead with knowledge, skill, and passion. From land preparation to planting, every stage represents a step toward a more resilient and self-sustaining agricultural sector. Western Seed Company remains committed to advancing seed technology, empowering farmers, and growing together for a food-secure Rwanda.